So what are we about to do?
It is 1 a.m. and I realized that I'm getting tires changed tomorrow, but I still have tread left on them. So I figured let's round up the GoPros, and I've been wanting to third gear Manji a section of the highway that goes to 4 lanes. So that's what we're about to go do. All right, here we go. How mad do you think the neighbors are gonna be?
Oh, they're gonna be livid.
It's 1 a.m. Who sleeps at this time anyways? You wanna grab the keys to the Focus? Comment if you want me to slide this car. I'll do it. I wonder if I can show you guys the tread. Well, tread so to speak. Let's check the other side. All right, so I underestimated the amount of tread that I have left, but we're still gonna send it. Yeah, it's pretty much slicks. So gotta move the race car, AKA the Focus. Yeah, neighbors are about to be pissed. She just got her license, so bear with us. Try this at home. Alright. So I can't really see shit because of all the palm trees. So we're probably just gonna have to drive the on-ramp. And then, I mean, there's not really a ton of traffic, so hopefully we can just back up. You'll get out on the side, I'll set up the GoPros and then back up on the on-ramp and then hit it. Probably have to enter at like 70 and then feint entry like right past you and then just start manjing. So let's get to it. I'm gonna let him know. Just pumped it up.
Okay. Is it gonna come out?
What do you think?
I feel like he's just sitting there, so yeah, probably.
Is he coming?
No, oh, he's pulling up.
Oh, great.
He's inching up. He's slowly inching. He looks uncertain.
I'd be uncertain about me too.
So what'd you forget?
Forgot the freaking GoPro suction mounts at the house. So now we're gonna drive all the way freaking back there. And this damn AAA man. If I was actually in trouble, it would be nice. But I don't need his help. I need him to leave me alone so I can street trip. It's now 3 a.m. We had to come back for GoPro pieces. Miss Princess here decided to make some hot cocoa and a bagel. Let's get moving. Let's go what we're here to do.
It's about time.
I know. Here we go. Finally gonna do some freaking skids. So I'm going to show you guys why we think this is probably a bad idea. You'll notice the flashing lights ahead. In fact, I'm going to turn this off for right now. How's it going there, gentlemen? Oh, I'm scraping. I'm scraping. That's okay. Everything's okay. It's not going to be awkward at all. Baby, point the camera. Get the camera. Get a clip.
Okay, I can't.
Get a clip.
I can't see. I'm blind.
There you go. Hit the red button. Focus on the car. Focus on the car.
Look. Because that's not going to be obvious.
Just casual.
Yeah?
Here we go, we're gonna fucking send it. No cars, here we go.
Alright, so it is almost 3 a.m. We got 2 passes in. It was honestly like kind of sketchy because Nicole couldn't see me, I couldn't see her, so I didn't know where to initiate. But it was a lot of fun being able to Manji the highway like that. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment of what you guys want to see next, and make sure you leave a like as well.